Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, August 22nd, 2024. We are looking at the daily time frame chart of the XRP quarter to tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, there's a very interesting development recently that took place recently on this market. So let's just dig in what's going on here on the XRP. So first off is the trend line. The trend line that is quite interesting because it goes from this level to this level. Yeah, I'm connecting the extremes basically. Okay, let's make it like this. There you go, orange trend line, right? Kind of a weak trend line. Nevertheless, you can see the breakout higher, new high, 0.65, let's say, and then the sell off back towards the trend line, local low 0.43, and then back to the roughly back to the top when the trend line breakout was tested. So there it is. There you go. This is the range, support, right, and the resistance. So you can easily mark it like this or something like that, but let's go extremes. We started with the extremes. Let's go with the extremes. 0.33999, 0.64, let's say, right? So that's the range. There is another, of course, technical support, for example, like here, but it's not that much important anyway. And one more is coming here, 0.55. Okay, fine, not a problem. The major technical resistances that we need to see broken are, of course, 0.6552, which is the level, which is the swing high from the last day of the July 2024. The next one is obviously this one, so 0.7, and then of course the 0.7424 swing high. So this is how it looks like right now. Three very important levels ahead of the markets. How it looks momentum wise, well, let's do the RSI. As usual, the RSI is showing us very clearly that the market tested the level of 50, so the neutral level, now bounced from it, and it is coming towards the level of 60. Momentum is strong, momentum is positive, plenty of room to the upside, plenty of room to the upside for the XRP here on the chart. So maybe, just maybe, we are right now witnessing the continuation of this very nice movement to the upside on a daily chart, right? So that was the pullback or correction, and now off we go. But obviously, please pay attention to the nearest levels, especially the one that are obvious for everyone, like this one, for example, right? So this is the first target, first technical resistance, important technical resistance, then there's the other one, and then the other one. Any breakout here would likely cause a very nice spike to the upside, possibly targeting 0.74, but this is only possible if this low here, 0.55, is not violated, it's not deepened, because that's the only way we can save the momentum, upside momentum on the daily time frame chart of the XRP. And a breakout below this level would likely result in a significant drop in the momentum, and the market would enter the negative sentiment territory, which lies below the level of 50 on the RSI. So right now, stay focused, stay vigilant, because it looks like the market wants to go higher, wants to test these two levels. Possibly the bulls want to break it and even move higher. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.